Chow boy sang Vietnam. You wanna know one of the coolest things about living here is you can haggle. Now, I'm at Chu Man Thai right now, Man Thai Market in my neighborhood. I'm gonna show you where you can haggle, because some things you can't. So there's a nuance to it. So let's check it out, roll with me. All the color and the popping. Oh, time for lychee fruit too. Ciao, eh? Now, fruit you can't haggle over. This Rambutan is weighed. Everything is by the pound. Everything has a fixed price, and it's per kilogram. No haggling over Rambutan, no haggling over mangosteen, no haggling over these plums right here, period. Now, this Dove soap right here is non-negotiable. Any kind of products that's soap or laundry or soapish based, a lot of household products, these are fixed prices. My friend Lynn runs this stand. She put me up on the whole deal. So this right here, it's all of $5. $5 for a thing of Dove. Might actually be Dove, we're not sure, but this is shower gel I'm scooping up right now. $5, it's a win. Here's where you can haggle. Clothes, goods, shoes, even bras, anything in this kind of area is up for negotiation. Suitcases, backpacks, helmets, some kitchen stuff is all up for price negotiation. Chào em.
Chào anh.
Bao nhiêu?
Cái này 80.
60? 30?
80.
30?
No.
No?
Việt Nam cũng vậy.
No? 40?
No.
Okay.
80.
Okay, we'll go somewhere else. Come on, see. Bao nhiêu?
140.
100?
No.
Okay.
Ai có bón công?
Okay, here you go. Come on. All right, we got some flip-flops. Let's roll. Bao nhiêu for 100?
No.
No? You sure? Okay. $4 for new flip-flops. The move is you scoot. You go to walk away, the price will change. Sometimes not, but here we go, we gotta win. So there we are. And follow along for more real life and more real tips in Vietnam, y'all. Peace and love. Peace and love, y'all.